So now we're going to be looking at inserting multiple records. What we've done right here is to insert a single record. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to clean up some of these things here just to have enough space. Let's also increase the size of our editor. All right. So yeah, I'm simply going to create a different function for inserting multiple records. So I would simply say insert multiple records at once. This time around, we're going to have a function called insert many users, and we're simply going to accept a list of users. Let's call that users list. Okay, and next we're simply going to say result equals collections. Keep making mistakes. Okay, dot insert many, right? And we're going to simply pass in the users list just like this. Let's go ahead and return the result dot inserted IDs. So we just want to make sure we return, the IDs. Yeah, by the way, we can simply say print, not console.log. That's JavaScript user ID, and we're also going to say multiple users. So let's just create multiple users equals. Remember, we need to put that in a list, right? So just something like this. We have the name. And the name of our user here can be of Kings. Okay, we have the age just like this. Let's do 25, and we have the email address. We're simply going to do mavkings at gmail.com. So this is, for the first user, you have to put a comma right there, and I'm simply going to copy and paste this. So let's say mav Sally. Okay, so let's use a different email. Yeah, Sally. Okay, and I'll simply put 20. Okay, so now I have multiple users. I just have to say inserted IDs equals insert many users, and I'll simply pass in multiple users just like this. So let's also print. Let's have a formatted string saying inserted user IDs. Yeah, something like this. Okay, so we're going to simply pass in inserted IDs. Yeah, correct. Okay, so let's go ahead and run that. So I would simply say python main.py. First, I would like to comment this out for now. And yeah, I think I actually need to comment this out as well. Okay, so let's run this. And as you can see, we have the object ID for the first record and the object ID for the second record, which means right now we have multiple records in here. If I check MongoDB Compass, we should be able to see all the records. So let's connect to our local instance, tutorial DB users. So now you see we have 3 records, right? We initially created one, and this time around we added multiple records, which is mavkings and mavsally. All right, so thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll create a function to read the records we have in our database.